Replace the Spectrophotometer shutter on the HP Latex R printer series when the shutter is not working correctly. Before replacement, make sure the printer is idle, unload all substrate and close all covers and windows. From the IPS or internal print server, touch Maintenance. From the IPS, touch Replace the Spectrophotometer shutter, and then touch Start. The screen displays instructions for the replacement process. Keep in mind, if you follow the steps in this video, the instructions can just be used as reference. Turn off the printer and main switch. On the right side of the printer, use a screwdriver to loosen the two screws securing the ink delivery system cover. Remove the rear ink delivery system cover. Unplug the spectrophotometer power cable. With a screwdriver, loosen the screw securing the spectrophotometer shutter. Remove the spectrophotometer shutter. Install the new spectrophotometer shutter and then tighten the screw to secure it. Plug the spectrophotometer power cord back into the printer. Tighten the screws to secure the rear ink delivery system cover. Make sure all doors and covers on the printer are closed. Turn on the printer and the main switch.